Alright peeps, after a short break at the rest hut at the start or the end of the Changi Coastal Route. This is Changi Beach, Ferry Beach, and we are heading on right now. Gonna ride along the Changi Loyang Park connector. Let's go. Excuse my burp. Okay, I'm gonna try to find my way all the way to Changi Village. See how long it takes. Very nice park here. Don't see many people. Maybe because it's afternoon. But it's very well shaded. So you don't have to be worried about the sun when you come here. Because most of it is really in the shade. But we'll find out soon. I think it's about 4 kilometers to Changi Village. I must admit, I don't think I've cycled this path ever in my life. So it's always the first time, people. Enjoy, get out, get some exercise. Do it safely, outdoors. We're still in COVID. Indoors, no good. No KTV for sure lah. Go outside cycling and jogging. Build your body and not go KTV. Endless memes of KTV now. Enjoy the ride, peeps. Approaching some kind of car park. I don't know what car park this is. We'll cycle past and see. But I'm heading on. Shouldn't be so near. This must be some Changi Beach car park. There's a toilet to my left. Oops. Yep, and the car park looks pretty full, almost full. So get the people out. But the car park is quite small, so yeah. Oh, nice. Never been here, no? It's really a new experience for me cycling here. Looks like some kind of RPR ramp. Is it Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal? Maybe it is. It's where the NS boys go to Pulau Tekong. My NS was many decades ago. That time we didn't have Tanah Merah, we went to some commando jetty. That was fun. Well, not that fun when you're going through it, but when you look back, it's fun. Life's always like that, huh? Look back fun, when you go through it, not so fun. Let me see where we are. Yeah, looks like. Yep, SAF Ferry Terminal to my right. It does say SAF Ferry Terminal with all the associated barbed wire. Not surprising. So, okay, we've got to go to Tekong. I guess this is the place. Not me today. I want to go to Changi Village, not Tekong. And we keep going. Let's see where we end up. Oh wow, I see one of these big 4-man things. That's really cool. There must be a bike shop rental somewhere. Let them pass. Alright. And I keep going. Well, this ride, I must say, it's sunny. Not much of a scenery. Well, okay, there is. If you look to the right, there's the sea, of course, on my right. Other than that, it's really quite sunny. No much of a shade. If you know the way, you can cycle here at night, it's fine, but it's my first time, so I gotta like come in the day, because obviously you can see much better. Yep. Cyclists ought to keep left, you know. It's like a road. Two-way street. Alright, let's see where we are now. Oops, excuse the word. Okay. Says Changi Beach Park. So I'll keep going. There's another car park to my left. Lots of fishermen, hobbyists fishing. I guess fishing is a great way to spend time by yourself with some friends. You wait a whole day for a fish to bite. It's pretty cool. Meantime, you can relax and think about life. Not my cup of tea, but I can see why some people might like it. Oh, I see a plane coming. I see a plane coming. I see a plane coming. It's been a long time since I saw planes, so I shall pull over here in the shade to watch a plane. Yeah? Let's go.